am Real Access History from AKTP MCH School, Vijayawada. Now we are celebrating our 70th Independence Day. We got our independence on 15th August 1947. When Britishers came to India, they broke the unity among us and started treating us as their slaves. Many freedom fighters fought for the freedom of our country and to abolish the slavery. For example, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Jhansi Lakshmibai, etc. So we have to remember all our freedom fighters on this special day, and also remember our soldiers who are fighting for us at the borders of our country. But what I believe that an independent country is a country in which there are no discriminations against caste, religion or race or their financial condition. Let us hope every country to be like that and India to be like that. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone and happy Independence Day to all of you. My name is T. Joyce. I am studying in 9th class in AKTP MCH High School, Government School in Vijayawada. It's my pleasure to tell you a few words about patriotism. Patriotism could be defined as a love of the nation to the extent of betterment of it, of sacrificing your life for the betterment of it. Patriotism is considered as the backbone of the nation, and patriotism could be also help in his fellow citizens whenever there was in danger. And you could say the freedom fighters are the best example for patriotism. Many freedom fighters work together to achieve the independence, and they are the true example for patriotism. And they are who did not think about their lives and made a lot of sacrifices to bring the independence of our country. It is because the patriotism shown by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Abdul Kalam and Jhansi Lakshmibai, and many freedom fighters are the best example for patriotism. Recently in COVID year 2020 was a harsh year due to COVID-19. Many people lost their lives and jobs and schools were closed. No transformation facilities were provided. In that time, the hospitals were rushed with patients who were infected by the coronavirus. In that time, the Sonu Sood Act was helped her. In my mind, that is the true patriotism. I could like to conclude this speech on patriotism by saying that we should all show unity and togetherness. Togetherness is the best unity you can make our country great. Thank you for giving me this.